In this video, I'm going to show you how to use this Delta Monitor shower faucet. It can be a little bit confusing to use, so if you're in a hotel or an Airbnb and you're a little bit surprised at seeing this and you're not exactly sure what to do to turn it on, these steps are going to help you. So the first thing you'll notice on this is that there is an on and an off imprint on the right side of this faucet system. What you're gonna do to turn the water on is simply turn this knob and lift up. You'll notice that it comes out of the faucet, but no matter how many times you move or pull on these levers, you're not gonna be able to get the shower to turn on. So the trick that you need to do is actually look at the faucet. You see this valve right here? What you're gonna need to do is pull the valve down. That's then going to turn on the shower at the shower head, and you can adjust the pressure and temperature using this turning knob. That's going to be all the way hot, and this is going to be all the way cold. In this case, there's clearly some sort of leak inside of this faucet, so I'll be looking at that. And when you're looking at the shower head, this system right here, by spinning this lever, you can change the types of water flow that you have. And if you want to use the handheld sprayer, what you need to do is on this side, kind of hidden, is going to be a quarter turn valve. You'll turn that 90 degrees, and now the water will stop coming out of this shower head and go into the handheld shower head. All right, I'm going to put everything back. I hope that was helpful for you, and that you can, get to your shower now. Thanks for watching.